In this video, we're going to talk about the file services and the different things we have set up through our system. So to start off here, we're back again on Homer. We have, for our file services, shows the different volumes that we have. The sysvol is for the Active Directory replication between Homer and Marge, and then we also have our home drives and the Springfield shared drive, Z drive, that I was talking about earlier. So comes down to the DFS management. We did create some namespaces. Let these load up here, and we create a namespace for every home drive user, so they have their own map that they can go to get to their individual home drive. And then we also created some namespaces for our two shared resources that we have, the Cisco router folder and the Microsoft software folder. And then as well as we also did some replication. And the domain system volume, that's our Active Directory application that I was talking about. And then our home drives, we replicate from the Z drive, which is on Homer, and then over to the D drive, which is on Marge. And this allows um, for a little bit of redundancy, but also under heavy server loads, a user can, with the DFS namespace, they could be bounced over to the other server, or if the Homer server ever goes down, Marge kind of takes over housing all of those directories and delivering resources to employees. And we have the same thing here with the Springfield drive, the Z drive that I was talking to you about for our software. Um, our staging areas, we had to, this is determined, we wrote a little script that determines, it takes the 32 largest files in the directory and adds them up and gives you a number and size, and then we just round it up. It was like 57 gigabytes, and we rounded up to 60 gigabytes. So this gives us ample enough staging storage area for the replication. So it's actually really quick and with the replication, and it works really well. Also, here we're going to show the home drives in action a little bit here. So I'm logged in as a domain admin. So here are all the different resources. And as you can see on the home drive, being an admin, I can see everything, everybody's. And also in the Springfield software, I have the Cisco router and the Microsoft. Well, now I'm going to log in. I logged in actually already prior to this computer with Abraham Simpson's profile. And he's just a regular user. He's got a few different security rights that map out to him, and which I can show you real quick here. So here this shows the different security groups that Abraham's system has. He's part of the Cisco software group, so when he clicks on that drive, he will only see the Cisco software group, not the Microsoft software. And then he also has his home folder, and he's part of the Springfield staff, which will map that Z drive to him, like I showed you earlier in the group policy. And this Spring software access is kind of a traverse group that allows them to get through the root folder down in, so they can only see what they have access to. So now we'll bring this up and show. So as I was talking, here's his U drive, and it just maps right to him. Every user is given this Homerisms uh, folder, kind of just something fun for new employees and everything. And then also we have the Z drive I was talking about. So he goes in and he clicks on his home drive. He only sees his. He doesn't have everybody else's. And then also the Springfield software, he only has the Cisco router software compared to the Microsoft software, like how I can see being a system admin in this one where I have the both and I can see all the home users. So this is a brief run through of all our different file services and replication and security groups that we have set up on our system. Thank you for watching.